Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about EK-Quantum Torsion A60 first ever Matrix 7 PC case. So friend, the limited edition EK-Quantum Torsion A60 PC case created specially for liquid cooled beads and franities entirely built of CNC-milled aluminium weighing around 22 kg and friend, it is not just a case but a statement and its machine channel for custom slim cables and an integrated D5 power distribution plate make it a true marvel for water cooling enthusiasts, and the case fits the mid-tower standard and fits up to 3 medium thick EK-Quantum Surface P360 radiators and a tempered glass side panel and integrated vertical GPU bracket and support for ATX and E-ATX motherboards are only a few of the perks these chassis has to offer. And friend, it boasts a chassis machine entirely out of 6082 aluminum alloy using state-of-the-art CNC machining, and the 6082 alloy has the highest strength among the 6000 series alloys and boasts excellent corrosion resistance, and this result in a case that has not only extreme durability but radiates a sense of refined elegance. And friend, the precisely engineered design showcasing attention to detail in every facet, making it a perfect canvas for your liquid cooling emissions, and every piece is held together with hex screws, and so you can disassemble, customize and modify anything you desire. And friend, it is available in either satin black or satin silver, and it is a limited edition. The tempered glass side panel beautifully displays internal components, allowing you to exhibit your water cooling masterpiece, and stylish aluminum thumb screws hold the panel in place. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.